Hi everyone, this is Jasper from DuraMac, part of EMAC group. In this video, I will introduce you XCEC ISM11 automotive engine. XCEC ISM11 series automotive engine is a 6-cylinder line engine with 10.8-liter displacement equipped with electric control high-pressure common rail system and L2L intercooler system. The output torque covering from 1,699 Nm to 2,080 Nm. The overall dimension of our XCEC ISM11 series automotive engine is 1,335 mm by 825 mm by 1,159 mm, and the net weight is about 940 kg. The rated power covering from 345 horsepower to 440 horsepower at rated speed 1,900 rpm. The emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 5. The standard XCEC ISM series automotive engine comes with following accessories: air compressor, fuel pump, fuel filter, flywheel housing, flywheel, urea pump, urea tank, oil filter, oil cooler, based on standard XCEC ISM11 series automotive engine, DuraMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, air filter, muffler, PTO, accelerator pedal, clutch assembly, transfer case, Valeo air conditioner compressor, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, DuraMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, turbocharger position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide the explosion-proof modification for mining vehicles. And we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing premium powertrain system to commercial vehicle manufacturers all around the world, DuraMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on automotive application. Based on dozens of world-class engine manufacturers in China and as official exporting agent of Fast-Cat transmission and Dongfeng-DANA axle, DuraMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. DuraMac's ranges of products are complete engines with all accessories, Fast-Cat transmission, Fast-Eaton clutch, advanced transfer case, Dongfeng-DANA axle. With affordable Chinese level prices, DuraMac provides flexible premium powertrain system for all kinds of vehicles, With years of experience in powertrain supplying, our well-trained operation team can quickly understand and respond to customer needs.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact DuraMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company and products, welcome to visit our homepage, duramac.com.